Why should you hire a financial planner? Is it the investment returns that they could get for you? Is it the strategies and knowing whether you can retire? I would say all of the above and more, but it really synthesizes into 3 main reasons that you need a certified financial planner. I've got that and more coming up. My name is Mike Bernard. I'm the host of the Wise Money Show. I'm also one of the certified financial planners right here at Korhorn Financial Group. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and smash that thumbs up button. I passionately believe everyone needs a financial planner. And I'm not just talking about an investment manager or someone that's helping you with your investments. I'm saying full financial planning, comprehensive financial planning, looking at all 6 areas of your financial life. Why? Because those 6 areas, it seems like those are separate and distinct. You've got your insurance over here, you've got your investments over here, you've got your taxes over here, your estate planning's way over here. It seems like they're all disconnected, but they're not. They are connected, and you've got to find strategies. When you're making decisions, you've got to find strategies that weave together those seemingly disconnected parts of your financial life so that you can make great decisions and bring synergy to those 6 areas. You need one plan, not 6 different, separate and distinct, sometimes competing agenda, different plans. You need one plan. You can tell we're just very passionate about this because we've seen the impact that it has made, taking a comprehensive approach, helping people, individuals, families, small businesses over the past several decades, the change that it has created in their life, the better outcomes that it's created, and that multi-generational planning and the strategies. It's just the approach that you need. So then what's the value? Why? So why? Is it the investment returns? Is it the strategies? Is it knowing whether you can retire or whether you can start that business or how to get your estate plan done? It's all of those things and a long list of more, but we've synthesized that down to 3 main reasons that you need a financial planner. And a recent story just illustrated this, the 3 reasons I shared with this individual on the spot. So a friend of mine I hadn't seen for quite a while, several years, we're not serving him financial planning, runs his own business. And I knew from kind of the outside, the business was really taking off and he was having some success. And so when I bumped into him, I sort of expected that, catching up with him, he was going to just be saying, oh yeah, gosh, everything's great. Because from the outside, from the exterior, everything did look to be going great. But I am not kidding. I saw him, went right up to him and said, hey, how's it going? And shook his hand. He didn't even say hi. He didn't even say hi back. He said, oh gosh, I need to talk to you. And I could just feel the weight. And I said, okay, what's going on? And I didn't know, even though we were at his place of business, I didn't know if it was health related or if it was family related or what was going on. But again, there was this heaviness. And he said, I need to talk to you. Okay, what's going on? Things are going well here. Things are going well. I just don't feel well. And it sounds like I'm making it up. This is a true story. And I said, okay, yeah, things appear to be going well. And he said, I know that's the thing. And I'm scared. I'm afraid. I'm afraid that I'm doing something wrong. I'm afraid that I'm going to make a mistake. I'm afraid of the taxes. I just don't know what to do, is what he said. And I said, okay, well, we're here for you. And I said, actually, I talk about this all the time. He's a friend, and so he watches this stuff on YouTube and listens to the radio show. And so I kind of referenced back to it, and I said, yeah, we talk about this all the time. As people are having some financial success or your business is having financial success, everyone thinks that, that's just going to feel great and I'll be, I'll have great peace of mind. No. For a lot of people, they lack clarity and confidence and they're concerned, they're worried. As they have more financial resources, they're more afraid of making a mistake. And so there it is. I sort of launched right into the 3 reasons you need a certified financial planner. The first is clarity. Where do you stand? This individual, this friend of mine, his business was doing well and he didn't know where he stood, okay? Your financial life, if it's like mine, and I'm sure it is, you've got bank accounts over here, investment accounts over here, investment accounts over here. You've got assets that are over here. You've got maybe a loan here or there, a credit card. You've got college accounts. everything is spread out and everything's online. You no longer get statements, thank goodness, but it's all over the place. Step one of getting clarity is getting all of that on one sheet of music. Building out that balance sheet or your net worth statement and having it connected so it's up to date all the time. That makes your financial life decisionable. Therefore, when something comes up, when there's an opportunity or something goes wrong, you can see where you stand, where am I, so that you can make decisions. That's clarity. But clarity is also, well, what are my goals? What am I doing? I'm saving X amount of my 401k. I'm saving X amount. I'm doing the Roth 401k. I'm maxing out my HSA. What am I doing? So clarity over where you stand and what you're doing and why. That's the clarity that you need. And that flows right into it, overlaps with confidence. Your certified financial planner should be bringing clarity, but also confidence. The why, where is everything? What are you doing and why? Are you doing things intentionally, and does it make sense? Is it consistent with your goals and your financial situation? Are you confident that you're doing the right things and that you're on track? Part of this is, what are your goals? And have you mapped out and laid out the plan that, yep, what I'm doing right now, the steps that I'm taking right now are on the path to reach that goal, so that I can achieve it. That's confidence, okay? That's confidence. Confidence is, I know in this individual situation, I know that as I'm having financial success in my business, I'm not creating this huge problem with the IRS. That's confidence. I know that, yeah, when I'm funding my 401k, I'm doing pre-tax or I'm doing Roth, and I have the confidence that I'm doing the right one. Helping kids or grandkids with college, buying a house, paying down mortgage, those sorts of things. I have the confidence that I'm doing the right things for the right reasons. Clarity, confidence. Those are two of the things that your certified financial planner provides. And the last one is creativity. Creativity. They should be bringing some extra ideas or a different approach or some new thinking to the table. Now, if you show up to your CFP's office and you're working through some things and you've already kind of laid out, all right, well, here's what I'm going to do, and they tell you, you know what, that actually that seems right. Yeah, that's exactly what you should be doing. They should be able to back it up with why and kind of show you the planning around, yes, you're maxing out your 401k and the Roth side, and this is exactly going to get you where you want to go. There's no change you need to make. Sometimes that's the value. But oftentimes they should be bringing some other creative ideas, not just for creativity's sake, but to help you get to those goals a little bit faster, a little bit safer, or a little bit more confidently, okay? And so things like Roth conversions, mega backdoor Roth IRA, maybe finding a way to increase a little bit on your mortgage payment, or maybe not. Maybe it's increase a little bit that you have in your emergency fund, adding that umbrella policy, doing a revocable living trust instead of just a will. Like, they should be bringing some creative planning strategies to bring synergy to those 6 areas of your financial life, so that as you're making financial decisions, your financial life is more integrated. So I know that's broad, but it includes the investment returns, the strategies, the planning, all of that value, tangible value that your certified financial planner, that your financial planner brings, synthesized into clarity, confidence, and creativity. And when they're providing that peace of mind, it delivers that 4th C, which is calm, peace of mind, where you have the freedom, the peace to live the life that you're called to and not have to worry and obsess so much about your finances, because money is like oxygen. You need it to live, but it's not life. As soon as oxygen is sucked out of the room, it's all you can think about. But when everything's going fine, you're not thinking about oxygen. You're living the life that you're called to. Finances are the same way. You need a certified financial planner that's delivering clarity, confidence, creativity, and creating calm. If you don't have a CFP that's helping you with that, you can contact one on my team. Find us online, Korhorn.com. That's Korhorn with K, wisemoneyshow.com. You can find us there as well, or give us a call, 574-247-5898. All right, there you have it. Go out and take your next wise step in your financial life.